Hi Karishma, a very warm welcome to the Festival of Wellbeing 3rd edition powered by Amul.
Thank you.
Many congratulations on winning the 40 under 40. How does it feel?
It feels very good because पहले तो मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे कोरियोग्राफी के लिए अवार्ड मिलेगा, वो भी 20 साल के बाद, पर वो नहीं हुआ, पर ये मिला. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट इट्स फॉर अ पर्पस दैट आई हैव हैड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. आवर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस made us build this brand with my co-founder Nikita and Aishwarya in Noida. So when we came together, we understood that there was a common goal to lift women sexually, physically, mentally, and that's exactly what we're aiming to do with Sassiest. It's India's first doctor-backed sexual wellness and pleasure brand for women and LGBTQIA. And we're very, very proud because we are right now a 25,000 strong community and growing, obviously. But we also believe in taking agency over our bodies and our minds and our sexual health. That is why Sassiest is here.
So you spoke about the journey. I would want to ask, would you want to highlight key milestones that
Yes.
you crossed across few years back, and that is the reason why you're standing here?
So I think your past experiences make you, right? And I wouldn't take any part of my life out of my life only because it made me become a part of Sassiest. So when you come from places where you do not understand what is happening in your respective lives, especially when it comes to your partners, your sexual health, your traumas, whatever it may be, it becomes a very lost space. So we are trying to create that safe space for women and LGBTQI where they can express themselves, and I think that is very important for Indian women because Indian women give a lot just generally, right? We are hardwired to give.
Yeah.
And we get a lot, we gotta get very little in return, and that is where Sassiest comes in. We want women to love themselves, their bodies, and feel confident and happy, and that's exactly the aim. So yeah, whatever has made me has made Sassiest.
That's awesome, Karishma. Well-being, I mean, this is a very unconventional industry,
Yes.
and you have seen a very specific, and a big problem,
Mhm.
and try to solve it.
Yes.
How do you see the future of it? What do you think the future holds for this company and for this sector?
So as a company, we've recognized three gaps. Okay, there is an education gap, there is a communication gap, and there is a pleasure gap. So all one after the other, they lead to the other, right? So the education gap leads to the communication gap, leads to the pleasure gap. Now, unless and until we take it step by step, it won't happen for the country. It's very easy to say, okay, use these pleasure toys, but what are the consequences? Are you using the right material? Are you getting the right help? Is a doctor helping you? Is a mental coach supporting you? And these things are important to talk about holistically, is what we aim to do with the company. So obviously grow into tier 2, tier 3, educate in their languages that are needed across the country, and that's the aim.
Thank you, Karishma, for your time. It was
Yeah.
great knowing about your company.
Thank you.
And thank you for
Look us up, sassiest.in.